So if you do go up on top, just be aware of that.
There's the whole view.
I think, yeah, it's probably 15 actually.
Oh, is it too?
Morning!
Morning! We're here at Te Anau Glowworm Caves. So we just had our tour within the caves to see the glowworms.
Yeah, I got into a little boat. It was completely pitch black. Can't even see your hand in front of you. Yeah, and then you saw like a sky full of glowworms.
But no footage, sadly, because they didn't allow any cameras. But still very good memories that we will take away with us. See what else we can see here before we have to head back.
Like to have. And soft, which in our mouth is the eyeballs. So what it does is it travels through the fishing lines to the eyeballs of the moth, and the glowworm has two tiny wee fangs.
Oh my god, it's ice cold. Whoa. It's freezing.
Just slightly colder than my fingers.
Really?
Let's go!
Blue gun point now, head there to our left. Points from the water temperature, land temperature, so it's got a bit of wind, it's quite good, it keeps
Off your hat. Cheers, guys. Thanks, ladies. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Can I grab the spicy tuna sushi bowl and the porky bao?
Awesome. So the tuna sushi bowl and one brekkie feast comes to $29.50, my friends.
Thank you!
Excellent.
Oh, should I ask them for a spoon? For the rice. Let me go put this in. Hello.
Hello, we're here back in the car with our lunch. We got it from Bao today.
We got a porky bao over here. And then, oof, let me get this. This is a spicy tuna.
Looks yum.
Looks really good.
So we're gonna have a little bit of our lunch and then we're gonna head off to a track
Milford.
near Milford Sound.
Yeah. The roads to Milford were actually closed because of bad weather, but actually it looks really clear today. So they opened it back up and we're gonna head down for a hike.
Yeah, hopefully we get some very good sights and yeah, let's go.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's eat and then let's go. Okay, how's the sushi?
It's quite nice. They put in a lot of different ingredients. So like wakame, edamame. We've got tuna, nori, lettuce. And I think they put like mayo all over it as well. So I stirred it up. And it's actually really good.
Wow.
Is it?
The sushi tastes really fresh. There's like kimchi in it also. Gives it a little bit of kick. Gonna try the bao now. We got the porky bao. I think there's hash brown inside.
And mayo.
And mayo, yes.
Oh no, it's sharing from the bottom. Yeah.
So cold. We're going for our Key Summit hike now. This hike's gonna be 3 hours, estimated.
3 kilometers only?
Really?
Yeah, but all elevation.
Give me some warmth, please.
Hello.
It's about 30 minutes into the hike. We saw a lot of snow and also streams along the way. A lot of incline. Gotta be careful when stepping on the snow because it's really slippery. Nick is so warm, he took out his jacket.
I'm burning to death slowly.
He's exaggerating.
Really. My back is entirely drenched.
Okay, about an hour more to go, I think, to the peak. Hope we get there in time.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Really nice.
Time check. It's 1 hour into the trek.
Yeah, it's 3:35 p.m. now.
Yes, and we just came across this sign. So 1 hour return to Key Summit. So that means 30 more minutes to the top. Hey guys, we did not reach the peak.
Yeah, the sun's about to set, so I think it's best if we just like stop here to enjoy the views and then start working our way down. The last bit of this was actually quite snowy. The snow actually came up almost to like shin length, knee length. Yeah, so it's a bit sketchy if you go down after dark. But I think the view here is already amazing. On this side, you can see like a whole bunch of nice mountain ranges across.
Yeah, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
All the snow-capped mountains.
Ah, oh my gosh. We're just surrounded by mountains and snow.
We've got about an hour hike down, so we're just gonna take a short break here.
Yeah.
Then head on down.
Okay, we'll catch you in a bit. Oh. My hands are cold, so I have hand warmers. Gotta be careful, avoid these thorns. Okay, gonna continue going back down. The fog has come in. Okay, we're gonna head back because it's getting a little cold.
Should we gamble on the other one or should we just pump it?
Anything.
Honestly, it's gonna be like $1.